So we're looking at a left convexity, right convexity, left convexity, right lateral translation. On here we're looking at discompression at the lower and upper lumbar, disc dysfunction, total left lateral translation of the pelvis, along with abnormal hip sockets and rotational malpositioning with 100% loss of curve. So we're going to start off on our abdominal suspension. Going to do a cervical challenge. There's an increased tone on the right, challenging the anterior to posterior, slightly superior to inferior. And that worked out really well. So you're going to take it as an anterior seat. Now straight axial traction, the muscles are relaxing. I'm going to scoot you up just 1 inch. Now on lateral or axial traction, the muscles are not relaxing and on lateral flexion. So I'm going to work the tissue, the sacral lumbar angle. Straight axial traction, the muscles are relaxing. Now, lateral flexion, they're relaxing as well. I'm going to set the drop, lateral flexion, and then very, very gentle. Now we're also going to traction the hips as well. So greater trochanter, iliac crest. Superior to greater trochanter. And both hips are showing a bit of wear. Contact ischial tube, and very, very gentle traction. Fluctuation and tone. Nice gentle drop. Hardly even know I'm pushing. The muscles are relaxing. I'm going to do a gentle meningeal release. Now on your side, face me. See, on side posture, almost no rotation. Go way over on the other side. Anterior, C1. Right on your back. Now he was nice enough to prepare the skull so I can get easy access to the occipital parietal. Thank you, man. I so appreciate you. You guys flaunting your perfect skulls, where I got to cover mine up with hair. Next thing I'll have to sit on the back of the bus. You hairy mofo, get back there. Okay, going up the side of the suture. Just a little bit of tenderness there. Here you'll see almost no rotation, maintain pressure, then a slight lift. And this is our articulating pillar push right at the cervical thoracic junction. Then C5, gentle lift. Now it's going to be left, right, right, left. Oh. I love you too. We're moving the bones. Now superior to the greater trochanter. And we want to restore dorsiflexion. Interosseous membrane. Support the knee, and then gentle traction until you feel the gapping. That axial traction is going to cause a nice inflammatory response. This would be a great viral video if the leg came out of the socket. Wait, I didn't just say that, did I? You know, like that would be the first time it's ever happened. You are perfect, my brother.
Oh, thank you so much.
My pleasure, man.